Let's drop a solar panel until it breaks.
Hey folks, welcome back to A Fraction of an Hour with Peak Power. My name is Dingo.
And I'm Tucker. Last time we did a video where we threw balls of different mass at a solar panel to see what it would take to break them.
You did most of the throwing.
I did, and I put a hole in the wall. If
yes, you did.
That,
we build him.
You've had a moment where you're holding your cell phone and you dropped it and it falls and it breaks and it cracks. Well, we're curious, what would it take to break a solar panel? You know, a solar panel has a long distance between going from the factory over here to our warehouse.
Lots going on.
Then to go to a home, to be transported up a ladder. It travels a lot.
In and out of a trailer, up and down a ladder.
Absolutely.
Lots of things happen.
Yeah. So what is it going to take to break it? So today we thought, let's drop a solar panel until it breaks.
So our plan is to go in 1 foot increments. Do you have any predictions?
Thinking around, I'm actually going to say 4 feet. At 4 feet from a drop, it's going to break.
Yeah, 4 or 5 feet I think is a safe bet. It's 110 degrees out today, so if we're glistening, we're not angels.
No, not
we're hot and sweaty. So hey, let's break some glass.
Let's do it. Let's have some fun.
Let's do this. All right, so here's what we got. We've got a solar panel. It's rigged up to a line and a pulley system. Right here, we are going to jack the solar panel up to different heights and drop. And we'll see what happens. Okay, Brendan, thanks for helping us out. We need another pair of hands. So if you want to start jacking that solar panel up, I'll tell you when to stop at 1 foot. Keep going, right there, down a little. And right there. All right, drop in 3, 2, 1. Nice. Okay, solar panel survived 1 foot. Well done.
No issues.
No issues. We're good.
Okay.
Okay, we're on to drop number 2. Brendan, go ahead and jack it up. We're going to 2 feet, a little higher. Okay, a little higher. And down a little, 2 inches, right there. And drop in 3, 2, 1. Woo! Survived.
Gotta raise the forklift up a little bit.
All right, we're on to drop number 3. Brendan, let's go up to 3 feet.
There we go, getting some distance.
Down, 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 right there. 3 feet, drop in 3, 2, 1. No damage. Drop number 4. Let's see what happens. Let's go to 4 feet. Woo! Okay, right there, a little higher. Right there, down 1 inch. Right there, 4 feet. 4 foot drop in 3, 2, 1. Nothing. Nothing.
I was wrong. I was way off. I thought it was going to be 4 feet. It's still intact, so I'm excited to see what it's going to take to break this thing.
Okay, drop number 5, going to 5 feet. Brendan, take us there. And you're at 4 feet. And a little more, right there. Perfect. 5 feet. All right. 5 foot drop in 3, 2, 1. Our predictions were wrong.
Interesting.
Here we go. Drop number 6. Let's take it out. Going to 6 feet, folks. 6 feet. Right there. Down an inch.
Get the 6
Perfect.
feet.
Right there. Right there. Beautiful. All right, 6 foot drop in 3, 2, 1.
Nada.
All right, on to drop number 7. Going to 7 feet. Okay, down an inch. Down an inch. Right there. We got it, folks. 7. 3, 2, 1.
Not one.
This has far exceeded my expectations. It's kind of fun doing this. We're at 7 feet. A solar panel can drop flat from 7 feet and completely survive. That's exciting. I think we're learning something today. Okay, moving on to 8 feet. Let's go. One more foot. Right there, down 3 inches. Right there, perfect. 8 foot drop in 3, 2, 1. All right, going to 9 feet. Let's do this. Two, 1.
What?
All right. Going to 10 foot.
Okay, here we go.
And right there, hold steady for 10 feet. 3, 2, 1.
At 10 feet. Nothing. This is the 11-foot drop.
11-foot drop in 3, 2, 1. Not a single
Nothing.
fracture.
12-foot drop.
3, 2, 1.
Still nothing.
So hey universe, everybody out there, we're in a little state of shock here.
Yeah, I cannot believe that panel has not broken.
We've
It's
gone
amazing.
all the way up from 1 foot to 12 feet and we've had 0 breakage. So this is a 305 watt Canadian Solar is the manufacturer.
Shout out to Canadian Solar. What a great solar panel
Good job,
you guys
guys.
have created. Wow, that's amazing.
So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put the solar panel on the forklift, jack it up as high as it'll go and then pull it off and I'm sure we'll get some breakage.
I hope so. I want to see something shattered. Let's go. Come on.
We are learning. This is
Yeah.
amazing. So let's do this.
Here we go.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Ready?
Yep. Here we go.
2, 1. Oh, it broke. It broke.
I can hear it.
Yeah, you can hear it.
Oh, the big reveal. Oh, yeah, that broke. Woo! Yeah, that was a shatter.
Beautiful.
Hear that crackling.
You know, it's really funny what it took to break this thing today.
Yeah, that was a lot of effort. Nice. Shut up. So we just did that drop with a Q-cell solar panel at 15 feet and it did land flat and so it did not break. So now we're going to redo this Q-cell so that it will shatter.
3, 2, 1. There we go.
Nice.
That's the reason broken glass on our face.
Yes. Good shatter. There we go.
So, folks, I hope you enjoyed that fraction of an hour.
I did.
With
That was
Pink Power.
great.
Yeah.
That was a lot of fun.
That was a little shocking for us to see that a panel can drop from 15 feet and not break.
I really am speechless about that. The fact that from 15 feet, 15 feet, it did not break. Amazing.
Not at all what we predicted. As you recall, we predicted 4, maybe 5 feet, and we'll have carnage.
Yeah.
And nothing. So, yeah, very surprising. I definitely think we learned something today. Solar panels are very, very strong and robust in the way that they're put together.
Yeah.
So they can take a pretty substantial beating and still survive.
Yeah. They are going to be strong. They are going to
Yeah.
continue working for you. Bottom line is there is another way of generating your power.
Absolutely.
So if you like this video, hit subscribe, share it with your friends.
Feel
and
free to leave comments if you have any ideas of what we can
Yes,
do to
please.
destroy solar panels. We install a lot of solar and we've got a lot of panels stacked up ready for us to destroy. So looking forward to our next episode. We'll see you then.
Talk to you guys soon.